good morning, Chico. So, welcome to my channel. Two Gringos on the Gulf. Jennifer and Daryl with our 15-year-old Maltese, little CeCe, living our best life here in Mexico. And today we are at Playa Organo Beach. Had to think for a second. It's too early in the morning. Anyway, guys, as you can see, I rode my bike here. Here's the trail here. So I just want to do a short little vlog today, guys. Just a natural, real vlog here, walking and talking on the beach, guys. Nothing special. Thank you so much for joining me. Give me a thumbs up. That would be greatly appreciated. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Okay, let's go. Vamonos. We'll take the bike over there and relax for a bit, guys. A little beach day here this morning. I need to get out. I need to get away. I need some peace. I need some tranquility. And I need the beach. It's been a long couple weeks here. Well, as you can see, we got the whole beach to ourselves here, guys. It's 8:30 in the morning. It's plus 28 degrees with a real feel of 31. Pretty nice day. Just a light breeze right now. Water is absolutely beautiful today. We'll just grab a seat here, guys, on this nice comfortable log. Since we're traveling light today, took me about 25 minutes to get here from town on my bike. You could probably do it a little bit quicker. I stopped a couple times. There's one hill I have to walk up, but I can make it all the way. It's just a little bit steep, so too steep for me anyway. I gotta walk up it. I can make it about a quarter way, halfway, and that's about it. All right, Chicos, you can see how beautiful the water is here. It's pretty nice. Crystal clear, got that nice teal blue tinge to it. Come early in the morning here in Huatulco at these beaches, and you're gonna have them all to yourselves, guys. There's a couple that just showed up here now, but other than that, that's it. She's empty. So I just wanted to talk briefly, guys, about things that's going on in our life here. We've been pretty busy. Just got back from Oaxaca City. If you haven't seen those videos, go back and check them out. We really enjoyed our time there. We're really struggling right now with our little dog CeCe, though, guys. He's really getting up there in age, and his health is really starting to show. I just watched a video the other day of this lady. I can't remember the name of her channel, but anyway, she had a dog that was 13 years old, a little Jack Russell Terrier, and it just passed away yesterday, and it really got me thinking about our little guy, you know. And as many of you know, I lost my father last year, and that's still affecting me pretty greatly here. You know, I miss him deeply. I wish I could call him and talk to him and, you know, hug him and see him and everything else. Anybody that's lost a parent, they know exactly what I'm talking about. So, it just, it's hard, you know, like the dog is, he's part of our family, right? It's like he's like a child. You know, we don't have no children, as most of you know, and he is our child. So it's going to be devastating when we lose him. And right now, like, Jennifer doesn't want him to suffer. I don't feel he's suffering, but she does. So we're kind of at a conflict a little bit there. I know he is a little bit, but not greatly. Like, he's got dementia. Physically, he's fine. You know, that's what makes it even harder, because physically he's fine, but mentally he's not the same. Like, he's not the same dog. He's bitten us, he's attacked us, and I don't want to dope him up. You know, I don't want him to live on dope all of his life. And anyway, it's hard. So we're just gonna let nature take its course and see how he is in the next little while. And he's not getting any better, that's for sure. You know, And I think this life that we're living is a little bit hard on him, traveling around, and it's turns his world upside down every time we go somewhere and do stuff, right? And now we're at the point where we can't leave him at home because of his anxiety, and we can't take him with us because he's nervous, his anxiety. So we're really stuck between a rock and a hard place here with him. But anyway, we'll pull through. We'll manage like we always do. Just keep moving forward and try to make the best of things and try to give him a good life, what he has left. And just losing my father not even a year ago, I'm not ready to lose my child, my dog. I'm not ready to let my dog go. So we're here in paradise, as you can see, but it's still we have real world problems, like everybody else, So, we're just everyday people, right? Just like you guys, trying to make a living. Jennifer's working extra hours here. I got family coming next week, and she's burning the candle at both ends right now. Like last night, she was up till 10 o'clock working, almost 11 working last night. Sitting in the living room, just slaving away at the computer, get up and get something to eat and then right back to work again. So, I mean, we're not rich, we're just trying to make a buck and trying to get by, right? Like everybody else. Trying to survive, trying to keep our head above water. Thank God we have this beautiful scenery to look at, Like, wow. The water here is so beautiful, man. The beaches are so pristine. I had to get out anyway, guys. I've been working hard too myself with the YouTube. We are fully monetized now. Thank you so much, guys. Our watch hours have increased greatly in the last couple months here. So I can attribute that to probably our location where we are. A lot of people are interested in Huatulco, maybe a little bit more so than Jalapa, Veracruz, where there's no beach. People love the beach more than they love inland, I think. More people love the beach, I believe. So anyway, guys, we're going to head inland here in a couple, 2 months really. So we only got rest of March and April, and that's it. We'll be going to Oaxaca City till September, and then we're going to head over to Cancun, guys. Now we're going to live in Maya Riviera for a while. I think probably a couple years we're going to stay over there because we want to go down the coast over there in the Caribbean. So in Cancun for a while, maybe Playa del Carmen, maybe Acapulco, Tulum, somewhere, but just up and down that coast for the next couple years. Stay in that area. We got a lot of friends over there, so give us a chance to explore the Caribbean now. I'm going to miss it here, though. There's no doubt about that. It's a very special place. If you get a chance, make sure you come to Huatulco, guys. It's very special here. Very special. When I was riding in, we had some bird watchers there. Well, let's walk down to the end here, guys, and then we'll shut her down, let you guys go out and have a blessed day. Enjoy your life wherever you're watching from. Thanks again for supporting us here. We really appreciate it, guys. Honestly, we really do. Like I said, we're just trying to live our life here, We're nobody special. We're not rich. We're not famous. We don't want to be. But I wouldn't mind making a couple bucks now to at least pay for some of this equipment that I bought. But I don't need to be rich. I just need to be comfortable. Roof over my head, food in my belly. What more could a guy ask for in life, right? Good health, good friends. That's what really matters in life more than anything. It just really got me thinking yesterday, seeing that video of the lady's dog that passed away, and very brave of her to hop on her channel the very next day and do a video about it, the very next day. I don't know. it was hard when I lost my dad too. Like, you know, it's hard losing a loved one. It really is. It really makes you reflect on your life, you know. So I wish I would have called them more, you know. I wish a lot of things. I wish I could have gone and seen them more often, you know. Anyway, guys, we'll go over here and check it out. Bye, guys. I just wanted to give you a little bit of an update what's going on here with our little dog CeCe and our life here in Huatulco. Take a quick look at the water here, guys, how clear it is. So crystal clear. Like, look at that. Wow. So beautiful, man. You don't need a mask and snorkel here. Just walking the water up to the rocks and you can see fish swimming around. They had a boat show up here just now. We're doing a 7-bay tour. Other than that, it's pretty quiet, Chicos. Pretty quiet. Just me and the crabs over here. Look at the crabs, lots of crabs. Well, to be honest with you guys, we're ready to move on. We got some exploring to do yet. We do want to get out of town. Kind of waiting for my brother to come. And we'll get out of town here, do some more exploring, get out in a boat again. I'll be doing a bunch of tours when my brother comes, so actually a check back for those guys. We're just gonna try to stay positive with little CeCe and, like I said, try to give him the best life that we can, you know, for the amount of time he has left, which we know his life is coming to an end. We know that, and I am prepared for it. I'm not ready for it right now. I'm really not. Like I said, I just lost my father not even a year ago. I'm not ready to lose my dog. We'll see how he is when we move to Oaxaca City here in another month or so. Anyway, guys, God bless. Thank you so much for joining me. Peace on earth. And as always, be kind to one another. Hasta luego.